Are you planning a trip to Turkey and want the best eSIM to stay connected without paying crazy roaming fees? Then you're in the right place. Hi, I'm Lewis, and after testing dozens of eSIMs while traveling, today I'm going to break down the top 2 best eSIM options for Turkey in 2025. I'll go over the pricing, data limits, and what you actually get with each provider. Plus, I've included exclusive discounts you can use to save money. Links are down in the description. Alright, let's get started. The eSIM provider I recommend for Turkey is Maya Mobile. If you're all about speed, simplicity, and value, Maya delivers really competitive plans. For example, you can get 3GB for $6.29, 5GB for $8.99, and 10GB for $11.69, all valid for 10 days. For heavier users, there's 20GB for $16.19, 40GB for $27.89, and an unlimited plan for just $24.29. All plans are 5G enabled and activate instantly, which makes things super convenient. Plus, their website is easy to use. Just pick your destination, choose your plan, and you're online within minutes. No app required, no extra steps. Now, if for any reason Maya didn't work for you or you didn't quite like their options, then Airalo is a great alternative. Airalo offers flexibility with multiple plan tiers. You can grab 1GB for $4.50, valid for 7 days, 2GB for $6.50, or 3GB for $8, all with 15-day validity. Their higher tier plans include 5GB for $12, 10GB for $18, 20GB for $26, and 30GB for $35, all valid for 30 days. The Airalo app is smooth to navigate, and once you pick a plan, a QR code is delivered instantly. If you ever run out of data, you can top up quickly through that app. Now, let's quickly go over how you can claim your discounts and activate your eSIM. If you're going with Maya Mobile, click the link in the description. It takes you straight to their homepage. There, just type Turkey in the destination bar. You'll see a list of available plans, and when you move to checkout, the 10% discount is automatically applied. After payment, a QR code will be generated instantly. Scan it with your phone and boom, your eSIM is ready to use. If you choose Airalo, use the link provided below as well. It will redirect you to Airalo's homepage where you can search for Turkey. Pick a plan that fits your trip, complete the checkout, and your eSIM QR code will be issued right away. You can install it using their app or directly through your phone settings. The 10% discount will be applied as long as you use the link in the description. Both providers are solid choices. Maya is the better deal if you want unlimited or high-speed short-term use. Airalo is perfect if you prefer longer validity options or smaller data packs. Whichever one you pick, you'll stay connected in Turkey without the hassle of roaming or SIM card swaps. Safe travels, and I'll see you in the next video.